Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard for Education. Why education marketers need PPC. With our TrafficGuard PPC Protection, your ad spends for marketing your school's name will be protected from ad frauds and competitors trying to deplete your budget. Competitors clicking on ads, bot traffic, and click farms are just some of the ways that ad fraud drained $42 billion in ad spending in 2019. Protect your Adwords campaigns with TrafficGuard's automated click fraud prevention. TrafficGuard's benefits. Monitoring. TrafficGuard uses parallel tracking to ensure that user experience is maintained on your ads. Every time your ad is clicked, details are sent to TrafficGuard while the user continues onto your landing page. Analysis and detection. TrafficGuard analyses data from each click and the intelligence gained from analysis across all its fraud prevention efforts to reliably identify sources of invalid traffic. Protection. If TrafficGuard determines that the IP is a source of non-human traffic, it is added to your campaign blacklist automatically by TrafficGuard via the Google Ads API. Maintenance of exclusion list. TrafficGuard proactively evaluates, prioritizes, adds, and removes IP on the blacklist to ensure that you are always protected from the biggest ad fraud offenders, even if your campaign reaches its limit of IP blocked. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.